Opening shot. If your car starts to overheat, it can be a stressful situation. But, don't worry, by following these 5 essential steps, you can handle this situation with ease. Step 1. Pull over. Your first priority is to find a safe place to stop your car. Do not continue driving as this can cause further damage to your engine. Step 2. Turn off the engine. Once you have stopped, turn off your engine. This will prevent any further damage to your car. Step 3. Open the hood. To release the heat from your engine, you need to open the hood of your car. Remember to wait a few minutes before opening it to avoid getting burned. Step 4. Let the engine cool down. Once the hood is open, give your engine time to cool down completely before attempting any further steps. Step 5. Check the coolant level. Once your engine has cooled down, take a look at your coolant levels. If they are low, top them up with coolant or distilled water. However, if you do not have any coolant with you, wait for a tow truck to arrive. Closing shot. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips like this.